Welcome gang, how you going? Well, my battery pack, charger's on its way. This is fully charged. I've got my Eachine UK65, courtesy of Banggood. Okay, so you've got your Eachine UK65, which I have, courtesy Banggood. Check them up on the screen there. You've got your 3 batteries. You've got your LiFePo charger. You've got your portable charging bank. You've got some instructions. We were missing something. What was it? This is what I was missing. One of these. Box. I've been missing a box. Okay. Let's get into the box. Okay. Okay, yes, so from a good friend online, I purchased a... Oh, how do you get into this thing? She's taped up pretty well. I know you're sitting there going, oh, you reckon I know what it is. And I reckon you're right. It's the one thing I'm missing to fly this, apart from some FPV goggles that are on their way. Oh, whoa, alrighty. That's an effort. I've got myself some stickers. This is the FR Sky TARANIS X7, or the QX7 remote controller. Very good. It's all there. Batteries, all there. Some pretty good nick. It's got a lanyard holder. Cool. Trimming, turn them on. Yeah, right, well, we're under there. Okay, they're all charged. Get off there. Happy as pig in poo. It's going to be cool. That plus that, plus that, plus that equals coolness. It's going to be fun. This thing's huge. Check these out at Banggood as well, they sell them. They're $200-300. The QX7, ideal for your little mini whoops. The UK65, US65 especially. Yeah, so what I need to do now is, it's not as simple as just going and flying. I need to plug this in to the PC, plug the little cord into the PC, configure it, make sure I've got this remote set up properly, and go for a quick fly. I do have some VR goggles, I've got some Fat Sharks on their way, some Dominators, so that should be pretty cool. But until then, I'm just going to fly it without it, because I can't wait. Terrific. Any tips, greatly appreciated, because this thing here is new to me. So I've got the batteries in there. I just realised this has an updated controller. I'm not too sure about these, so apparently this is a pretty funky one you can use with many types of whoops. So got some batteries in there. Yeah, it does work.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Ooh.
Throttle warning.
Throttle warning. So now I need to work out how I can get the brains of this to talk to the brains of that. Yeah, any ideas, any clues, I'll work it out. But yeah, comments greatly appreciated. The shortest, sharpest, easiest way of getting me to get this thing in the air. That's what I'm after at the moment, before I start doing any crazy FPV whoop crashing. So I don't even know what these do. That's how green I am. But you know what? No harm in trying. If you don't crash, you're not trying. Great stuff. I'm happy. Awesome. See you soon. Have a great evening, weekend, morning, up in the sky. Bye for now.